Welcome back guys to my channel. So kamusta kayong lahat? So it's been 2 weeks since yung last upload natin due to busy schedule again. So now may chance tayo para makapag vlog ulit. Pero today guys, it's going to be different. So we're going to do a sneaker pickup sa may Makati, doon sa may Glorieta, doon sa Nike Park store doon. So first time nating manalo sa sa online exclusive release ng isang shoes nila, no. So luckily napili tayo, first time natin, and maganda pa yung shoes na makiklaim natin today. So sige, later guys, pakita ko sa inyo yung shoes na yun, and then i-unbox natin. So tara, let's go. So yun guys, nandito na tayo sa Glorieta, dito sa Makati. So nakaka-excite kasi first time natin magkiklaim sa sa Nike store ng winning pair. So tara, puntahan na natin yung store guys. Ayun guys, nandito na tayo sa loob ng Nike store para i-claim yung shoes natin.
Money from 17,000 may have 12,580 equity.
So yun guys, binigay na natin yung ID natin para maklaim yung pair. And then syempre yung email na na-receive nyo bilang proof. So ayun, ito may mga nakiklaim dito guys, ayun. So tara, video ko lang, okay?
Okay lang. Hintayin ko na lang.
So opo, ganda nito. Oo. Ganda. Natin yung isa. Check natin mabuti. So ito guys, nakuha na natin yung shoes. So nakita nyo naman kung anong shoes to guys. So later unbox natin to. So tara, let's go. Yun guys, so kuha na natin yung shoes. So pauwi na tayo ngayon. Nakaka-excite na buksan mamaya. So since first time ko nag-claim guys, so simple lang naman yung yung requirements sa pagki-claim ng winning pair, no. una syempre yung email na na-receive mo to claim the shoes, no? And valid IDs, and then also dapat daw naka Jordan shoes or Nike shoes, no? Pero kanina guys, hindi naman nila chinek yung suot ko. Maybe because nakita nila yung suot ko, naka Nike shoes tayo, pero they did not check naman talaga. So pero magsuot pa rin kayo just in case, no? Para sure lang. So ngayon tara, uwi na tayo guys.
A few moments later.
So yun guys, no, nakabalik na tayo sa bahay. So gaya ng promise ko, so unbox natin to, very quick lang. So ito yun guys. So Nike Dunk Low Retro size 8.5, Gym Red. Okay. So tara, buksan na natin. Yun no. So ito siya guys, no. So makikita nyo naman na napaka gwapo, napaka-astig itong sapatos na to. First time nating manalo sa online raffle, no. Maganda pa yung nakuha natin. So ayan siya guys. So wala muna ako masyado ibibigay na details kasi quick look lang naman to para sa shoes natin. Ayan yung loob, may Nike swoosh na yellow, yung tang yellow, yung logo sa likod yellow din. Kasi I think this is different from the Gym Red na nauna, kasi this one is Gym Red University Gold. Ayan. So ayan, ganda niya guys. Ayan siya. So ayun lang guys. Thank you for watching, and again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for all your support. So next time ulit guys.